Here's your roundup of top carbon dioxide removal developments from this week. Greenlyte Carbon Technologies, a leading European direct air capture startup, has announced the closing of a €10.5 million pre-Series A round to grow its team and expedite the technology development. The Next 150 firm has entered into a 5-year agreement to supply Shell environmental products with up to 22,500 CDR credits, generated from biochar at its large-scale commercial facility in Mexico. Red Trail Energy and Puro.earth announced issuance of RTE CDR credits on the Puro Registry, making it the first ethanol production facility to generate CO2 removal certificates in the VCM. Lilac Global announced the Lilac 2 project that will be hosted at Heidelberg Materials 𝐼𝐸𝐺𝐿 cement plant in Germany. This project aims to capture 100,000 tons/year CO2 emissions released during cement and lime production. Sirona Technologies, Sela, and Great Carbon Valley are partnering to establish one of the first direct air capture hubs in Kenya with the goal of making it operational in 2026. Kastrup Airport in Copenhagen, Denmark, is partnering with compatriot CDR Marketplace Climate to invest in a portfolio of carbon removal projects, a move that underscores both companies' commitment to a net-zero future. Climeworks, Swiss International Airlines and Lufthansa enter a partnership to jointly accelerate the scale-up of high-quality CDR. This partnership makes Swiss, a subsidiary of the Lufthansa Group, Climeworks' first customer in the aviation industry. Deep Sky and At Depth MRV have partnered to advance direct ocean capture in Canada. CarbonCure announced that the 50 million cubic yards of its lower carbon concrete has been produced to date globally, removing 400,000 metric tons of atmospheric CO2. This is equivalent to the annual carbon sequestration of 477,000 acres of forest. Boulder County's Climate Innovation Fund announced that it will award $550,000 to projects focused on CDR and restoration. The deadline for applications is March 21, 2024. To meet net zero goal by 2050, we need to remove 10 gigatons of CO2 equivalent from the atmosphere. A new white paper by Rubicon Carbon tells how we can get there using a diversified portfolio approach to purchasing carbon credits. New report by Bologna warns that by 2050, CDR could only account for 3 to 8% of current global emissions. They suggest that to meet net zero targets, emissions in most sectors need to be reduced by 93 to 97%. According to new analysis by Rhodium Group, by 2035, nearly all U.S. states can deploy at least one direct air capture facility. Top 5 states with near-term deployment and job development opportunities for DAC are Texas, Iowa, Louisiana, Nebraska, and Oklahoma. New study established the first global baseline of public perceptions, finding Global South publics to be more supportive and favorable about potential benefits of climate intervention technologies, CDR and SRM, than Global North. The cost of removing 1 ton of CO2 via direct air capture could likely fall in the range of $230 to $540 in the year 2050 rather than the often cited optimistic figure of $100 to $300, a new study revealed. That's all from now. Subscribe to Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.